All right, our water piece is completely dry. Watercolor piece is completely dry, so let's glue our card together. So I've got my pieces already pre-cut here, and I will put in the supply list the sizes of the cardstocks that I am using, just in case you are wanting to use the same sizes. Certainly doesn't need to be. You could easily make this smaller, change it up a little bit. Have fun with it. And because this guy had some really funky eyes, I decided this was the fun one to put some googly eyes. So I already have the ones that I'm going to use picked out. I typically like to buy packages with assorted sizes so that I have lots to choose from, and I can choose which ones will fit perfectly with the project that I'm working on. I'm just gluing them on with some Distress Collage medium, because if anything squeezes out of the sides of these, it dries completely clear and it dries matte, so you'll never see that it's there. So the other way that I like to add a little bit of texture, a little bit of more interest to pieces, is I like to add just a touch of stickles. And I'm the type of person, less is more, so I don't like to add a lot of it. I know I've seen people that love to add tons of stickles to their things. I think just a touch just adds a little bit of interest to it. And then I'm going to add some glossy accents to his beak. Now, glossy accents is completely clear, dries completely clear, but the one thing you want to be careful, especially for a watercolor image, is that you're not going over multiple colors. If you're going over multiple colors, because it's a liquid medium and watercolor starts to run with liquid mediums, if you're going over several colors at a time, they are going to run into each other. So there we go. That is our finished first card, although it makes more sense when you use the correct sentiment on it. I'll see you in the next video, and we're going to do a technique for people that may not necessarily love coloring in images.